Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Haley J with FashionGo. Right now we've got Haptics here. I'm already wearing one of the beautiful pieces that I cannot wait to get into with you guys. But thank you for tuning in. You are going to get your early access to exclusive pre-orders. We've got thousands of new spring and summer 2025 new arrivals, and we're going to get that free shipping on pre-orders. That's going all the way till Friday the 7th. Okay, so to start, I absolutely love this piece. It's giving me just that youthful, really fun, bright color. As we transition into winter, we typically see those darker shades, and now we're getting into summer and spring. Really, really fun. Bright green, you've got your mix of the blue and the pinks. Just this really, I have arrived kind of feel. I'm not gonna be, blending into any backgrounds here. It's a really nice standout piece. And I just love this material. It's so light, it's so comfortable. You can almost forget you're wearing it. And I'm obviously doing it with my black jeans today, but you could switch it up with denim skirt, pair of jeans, shorts. This is one of those pieces that's so easily versatile. Maybe you wear it to the beach and you throw it over a bathing suit. Great for travel too, because obviously with this material, it's not gonna wrinkle up. I've got a black shirt underneath. You will see that it's got the holes there. So it's a little peekaboo, but if you want to do like a cami, something easy like I'm doing underneath, it's just a super easy go-to. And then all the colors is really going to speak for itself. You don't have to worry so much about what you would pair with it because it's such a statement piece in itself. Now moving on to a little 4th of July action over here. Nothing says summer like a good 4th of July party. These colors obviously are just gonna do it for you. I like it because it's not the traditional flag on this one. We will see others that have the different version. But if you wanna show your patriotism, but maybe you don't want the exact staple flag that everyone else is wearing, you do have a different kind of option here. This one really gives me that kind of like posh feel. You can dress it up again, dress it down if you wanted to do denim or maybe like a leather skirt, that could be cool. And I just love how effortless it is. All of these tops are gonna have that kind of feel where you can kind of have it like slouchy a little bit, really relaxed fit. And especially if you're just going out for that barbecue or whatever it is, if there's a little wind, this is gonna actually be that perfect material. But it's the perfect go-to on trend kind of feel. And I just love the details. You can see how you have a little bit compared to this one right here. These are a little bit smaller holes. This is going to be a little bit bigger, so you will have that see-through again, perfect for a bathing suit. And then I love just the different colors. That collar here, I think, is really what stands out to give it that preppy feel. Really feminine, youthful, and it's just fun. Now for this one right here, this is going to be more of that traditional American flag. I love the sleeves. This one really speaks to me as far as that great cover up for a bikini. I just think it's so, so cute. It's not gonna be what everyone else is wearing either. So you're gonna be on trend. You're gonna have that fun pop of color. You're obviously gonna be very into the holiday, but you can wear it even when it's not 4th of July, obviously. Be proud of where you come from any day of the week. I just think that this is a really great classic piece. It's so light and airy. It's not at all heavy. Really ideal for traveling and vacation. Once again, if I would say if you need that sign to travel, this is it. This is just gonna be that easy throw, grab it, put it in your bag kind of piece. And then like I said, it's just gonna be really beautiful with the design here. I love how they almost did the stars a little bit differently. Just really those small details are what make a piece stand out. And there's no way you will not be complimented on something like this. So make sure you are ready for it. This summer's sneaking up on us already. Now this one is a little bit more of a traditional feel, so this is something I think would be perfect for the spring or summer, obviously, months, but it's also great all year round. You can layer something like this really well. You could do, cami underneath, once again, a long sleeve, something that is a little bit warmer, and just have a really fun pop of color. Even holiday time, you could bring this back. So this is one of those really staple items that truly, whatever time of year, it's gonna look great. And I love how light it is. You've got the bottom that kind of curls up here, which really does give it that fun vintage feel once again. I'm a big fan of kind of those like throwback pieces, but also having this modern twist. So it's in its own unique way now that we're in 2025, which is crazy, but I just think it's a really nice, beautiful staple piece once again. This one right here, one of my favorites. It's giving so many things, right? We're having this kind of Western feel with it. You've got the plaid. I love the detailing right here. You've got all this elastic. So this is one of my favorite things that Haptics does so well is that you have the elasticity keeping you in place, but it's not restrictive. You're so comfortable, and this is just the cutest thing. These sleeves are gonna be puffy as well, so they're gonna give you that nice rounded effect, that nice kind of puffy sleeve. Pair this with some cowboy boots, some wedges, completely change the look with sandals or sneakers, up to you, but this is just such a staple. Trust me, this one is gonna sell fast, so definitely take advantage. And then that elasticity right around the waist again, kind of giving you that form-fitting shape, but nothing that's gonna be too tight. So keeping in trend with the colors we're about to get into, a lot more colors over here, and I'm so excited about it. This is just something that gives you that life of the party kind of feel. I love that you've got this kind of like scalloping at the top right here. Love the colors. This one especially is so soft, so this is a standout just because the material alone makes you just feel so good. It's really light. Throw it on, you're ready for the day, you're ready for that party, you're ready for the barbecue, you're ready for outdoor lunch, whatever it is. This is just such a look at me, standout piece in the absolute best way. And then the elasticity on the back, really hugging the body, maintaining that shape, but you have the flowiness of the dress, so you're gonna feel really nice and comfortable throughout your entire day. And especially if you're on the go mom, you're busy, you've got places to be, you don't wanna have to think about, is this outfit gonna keep me comfortable for how many hours you're out? And something like this absolutely will, so you can just go on with your life and look amazing while you do it. And right here you can see that it does have those kind of textured layers down here, and then giving it that tier effect once again. Nice and flirty, beautiful colors. Standout piece to me, in my opinion, for sure. Oh, and then you do have the bows. I don't want to skip past that. The bows on the collar, right, or not the collar, at the shoulders right here are just going to be that nice feminine touch. Stand out a little bit more with those details. Keeping in theme with the bows, I love this pink. So, I mean, Valentine's Day is right around the corner. If you're looking for that fun summer pop of pink, this is your staple. Love it. Once again, it has this vintage feel with this design. You've got your really nice, beautiful kind of vines and flowers. You have your bows once again at the top, elasticity. I really like this top piece. It just really brings me back to old school shirts I had like this, and I love that they're still in style because they're amazing. So again, why take away something if it's been working for so many years? Love this style of kind of your, once again, tier look where you've got the stitching right down here. This pink is such a fun color. It's gonna be, like I said, perfect for Valentine's Day, or if you just really wanna embrace these bright colors, because spring and summer is all about bringing back the brightness, bringing back the boldness, and this dress is gonna do all the talking for you. Now this blouse right here, this is definitely a standout. I would definitely put it in the bestseller list because these bows, once again, really capturing that trend that we love so much. This one has 3, a lot of them have 2, so I like that this one gives you a little bit extra. And how fun is this, just with the vibrant color? If you need something to really get you in the mood for your day, especially vacation, this is just such a fun piece. You could do it with jeans, you could do it with a skirt, really anything, it's up to you. Again, poolside, if you're going to a nice dinner, grab that Mai Tai, whatever kind of cocktail you want with it. It is just absolutely adorable. You've got the sleeves and that flowiness, the looseness, nothing's restrictive, and you're just gonna look awesome. So that's a win-win in my book. Next piece right here, we have another kind of variation of the blouse, this one obviously being a little bit longer of the sleeve, and then you have these bow ties, which I think are just so effortlessly cute, and because of the length, it's not gonna get in your way. So sometimes if you have longer sleeves, they look great, but they're not exactly practical. This one is perfect because it is high enough to not be falling in anything. You can obviously make it tighter or looser, so if you're eating going throughout your day, it's just gonna really stay in place and just give you that fun, flirty, bright color. Once again, you've got your flowers, you've got your really vibrant feel, nice and loose, easy breezy, perfect for travel and just your everyday wear. This dress, I love so much. I love this cut. I think that it's a really flattering how it goes high up, and you're gonna definitely have that modesty too. So if you want something with a little bit more coverage, if you are going to a dinner party, you want something that's just really easy, or you're hosting something at the house, I think this is a great go-to for something like that. You're gonna have your wide sleeves right here. So you've got the elasticity that's gonna hold it exactly in place on your shoulder, but the perfect kind of breathable feel at the same time. So not at all restrictive. You're not gonna be hot, you're gonna be really comfortable. And then I just love the detail with this. If you look at this, like so many pieces that we've seen here today, the detail, the colors, Haptics crushes it with all of these things, really takes that integrity very seriously with their business. And I love that you can just see how much work was really put into all of the flowers here. You've got your pops of color, really beautiful. And just one of those things that you're not gonna see everyone else wearing. They're gonna be asking you where you got it from, and you will be saying Haptics. All right, our last item right here. Once again, gotta end it with those colors. That is what we are doing this spring, this summer. We want the bold, we want the bright, we wanna feel good, and we want to be excited about living our lives, going outside and really invoking that confidence within us. So this right here, you're gonna have the nice kind of collar, but I love how they did it, where it's a really feminine collar. It's very loose, so it's not your traditional collar that you would see. You've got the little scoop right there, and then you have the really relaxed material up here. So really comfortable, but I love the mix of the collar kind of feel with the dress. And then you have your wide sleeves. These are gonna have a flare. So that really brings the flirtiness and the femininity, in my opinion, when you have something like this. Again, mixing that with the collar is a really cool touch. You have your elasticity, which I've mentioned multiple times, is one of my favorite. It's gonna give you the shape of your waist, but it's not gonna be tight. So you're gonna have that body, but feel really good. Still feel like you're wearing something super loose. And then it's just gonna go down with the little tiers right here. If the camera can pick up on these details, it's gonna be here and here. So you have your 3-tier, and then just so fun and flirty, flurry as well. So fun and flirty. Great for those little spins if you wanna do your boomerangs. We know we have so much fun with that. And these dresses are gonna be the perfect thing for it, especially as we get into these warmer seasons. Something lightweight, easy breezy, and just a fun pop of color in your closet. Can't go wrong with that. All right, guys, so that's it for Haptics today. Hope you loved everything as much as I did. Happy shopping. Make sure you grab it before I clearly take it all, and we'll see you guys soon.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. If you liked that video, make sure you like, subscribe, and check the notifications for similar videos.